Hey friends! A lot of you guys have asked me to make a sample pack of sound effects, so that's what I intend to do today. In this video I will show you some of the sounds I will use in the sample pack, so follow me. So what do we have here? The fan above the oven. Let's sample it. What's this? A microwave? Let's sample it. Teaspoon in coffee. Lighting a candle. Water in kitchen sink. Garbage disposal. Making coffee. Welcome back to the studio. I have finished recording the sounds and applied some effects on them. Let's check out the result. That's it! You can download the sample pack for free on my website. If you missed my last video, it's coming up right now! And you can also subscribe to my channel by clicking here. If you do subscribe, I salute you! And remember, you rock, my friends!
Remember to like and subscribe!